The following message has been given the authorization to broadcast at the request of the United States government, in conjunction with your local authorities. You have been selected for the evacuation of Los Angeles, California. You are allowed one personal bag. Do not bring food or water. The evacuation personnel will provide you with necessities. Please have Marcus Adam Clark, Julia Ava Clark, and Ryan Oliver Clark present at California Air National Guard Base by 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time tonight. Do not bring anyone else with you. Do not hesitate. Traffic will build shortly. Do not tell anyone where you are going or what you are doing. A QR code has been messaged to your primary device. You must scan this to be allowed access inside. Most importantly, do not panic. There is no need to panic. This message will repeat. There is no need to panic. 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 There is no need to panic.